Hi there, today I would like to share with you a quick recipe for some Cantonese seafood congee. Hope you enjoy this video. To start, we're going to soak rice for 1 hour and rinse set aside. In the meantime, we're going to slice up some ginger, shiitake mushroom, spring onion, and simply slice up some vegetables of your choice like bok choy or spinach. In terms of the protein we're using for the congee, simply use head-on shrimp. Cut the head off and keep the shell in a separate bowl. Devein the shrimp and clean it up. Once we heat up the cooking oil, simply add in the shrimp head and shell to simmer until the color turns reddish. Add in water and bring to boil for a few minutes. Simply remove the shell and the shrimp head from the broth. Now the broth is ready, simply add in the pre-soaked rice, sliced ginger, shiitake mushroom, and a spoonful of peanut butter to mix, and continue simmering for about 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Simply add in the shrimp to cook, and season the congee with some salt, black pepper, add in the green vegetables to mix, and garnish with some spring onion. There you have it. This congee is super delicious, healthy, and perfect for any cold day in winter. My full recipe is in the bio link. Please follow for more.